right, guys, it's time to talk about what we're going to do today. Are you ready? Let's open up our folder. Guess what? Inside our folder, we have today's papers, but this is the last week of papers, okay? There are no more papers after this week. Those last 2 weeks, I'm going to have to start getting creative. Although the last 2 weeks tends to be a little less work anyway, because we're getting into summertime. So excited. But this is the last week of papers, and things are starting to wind down. And so let's find out what do we get to do today. I'm going to open up my folder that says no problema. I love it. And I'm going to get out week 6. Now, I already took out yesterday's papers. Believe it or not, I had already given you papers for yesterday before I knew that they weren't going to have school, before I knew that they were going to give you a day off, and me a day off. I didn't know that, and so I gave you papers, but guess what? If you want to do those just for fun, go ahead. That's fully fine. If you don't want to do them, that's okay too. But if you're like, Mom, I want to do the papers, that's okay with me. Ask your parents, because they're really the ones in charge. They are the boss. So ask them, and if you want to do like yesterday's papers and today's, that's okay with me. Let's see what we're doing for this day's papers. We are now in week 6. Week 6? How did that happen? How did we get to week 6? This is crazy. This is crazy. And I'm going crazy from being in my house for 6 weeks. But I'm excited that I get to, talk to you guys each day, helping keep me from going crazy. This is the work for today. What day is this? Day a 2 and a 5. Day 25. Today is day 25. April 28th, 2020. That's today. You know what we're going to do. Watch the videos, do the work, move for 30 minutes, listen to me tell a story, do your reading book, scroll till you find your reading book, and find a book that you like to read at your house too. So, you know the deal. You know the deal. All right, let's see our papers, guys. I do have to tell you, it's no problem. There's only 2 papers today, guys. It's going to be no problem. I promise. You're going to be like, oh, that was easy. Awesome. All right, the first one is a writing prompt. And the writing prompt says, the sun is, T-H-E, the sun is. The sun is. What is the sun? Now, I'll show you what I wrote. You don't have to write what I wrote. But I noticed that the sun is kind of hiding today. Did you notice that? The sun is kind of hiding, and it's not really shining. It's not out today too much. So I said, here's my sentence. Let's read it. T-H-E, the sun is the sun is not up. The sun is not, see, show it so you can see it, is not up. And then this is a compound word, which means it has 2 words put together. So this word is to, T-O, to, D-A-Y, day. The sun is not up today. Today. T-O-D-A-Y spells the word today. But today is like 2 words put together. It's a compound word, which means 2 words slide together and there's not a space between them. I put a line to show you that it's 2 different words. The sun is not up today. And I put an exclamation point. The sun is not up today. I will tell you that the sun is up there. It's just hiding. The sun isn't really shining bright today because of all the clouds that are hiding it. So it is really up today, technically, but I just don't really see it. So that's why I put the sun is not up today. I wrote my name, and then over here I put a cloud, and I put the sun kind of hiding behind it because the sun's kind of hiding today. And then I wrote some words up here. I wonder if you can write some words up here too. I put the sun can hide, exclamation point. The sun can hide. Some days the sun is up there, but it's just hiding. It hides behind the clouds, and then it's a cloudy day and it's not a sunny day. That's like today. And then I put a big circle with a line through it, which means like no. That line through is kind of like my hand going like no, 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 right? No sun. And I wrote the words no sun. No sun shining today. Bummer. We had some good sunny days, but it's hiding today, and I guess God decided that the plants needed a drink of water, so he sent the rain today. We got to have the rain sometimes, because we know that one of the things that plants need to grow is rain, right? So we have to have rain sometimes. I bet the farmers will be happy about that, right? Here we go. The last paper is a sight word paper. And I did it in blue because this is the sight word blue. B-l, and then a long U. Blue. Blue. So I wrote my name in blue. I traced and I wrote in blue. And then I found all the blue circles and I filled them in with a blue crayon. There are 14 all together. All right, guys. I hope your work goes well today, and I'll see you in the next video.